Well, hello, everybody. Today, I want to talk with you a little bit about the time value of money. Did some examples from class yesterday, but I feel that there's going to be a little bit of confusion that goes along with. And so I thought I'd put together a very short tutorial video showing you how to do that in Excel. All right. And so the first thing I'm going to do is share my screen. Now, I had a couple questions from you all as well during class, one being what someone asked what the formula is. And so I'm going to pull up Excel and I'm going to kind of show you the way that I would recommend doing it. Okay. Basically, when we have the time value of money, as we see over here on the right from your PowerPoint, we have really usually four variables at play. How long we're going to invest in something stated as an N, that's usually going to be put in years. I being interest, our interest rate that we're getting. Okay. Now, had another question that kind of went around along with that. I can be something that you need to go ahead and assume. So for instance, if you're doing the discussion module question, and you ask, I want to see how long it takes for me to maybe have $100,000, you would have to go ahead and give an interest rate. And so just so you know, like if we're talking about the stock market, historic rate of return would be like 9% for that. So we would say we're going to invest in the market at 9%. Present value, okay, is the money that we're going to start investing with. And payment would be money that we're adding in equal increments, all right, using that, if we use the term annuity, okay, adding equal payments per period. And so the best thing to do, guys, all right, is go up here to the financials page, okay? And so what I do is I go ahead and write down NIPVPMT, okay? Go up to financial, all right? And there, I'll do it again for y'all. We will get the future value, FV, okay, in Excel. Then we're gonna take the rate, click here, all right? So then anytime we change our I, it's gonna be changing that. In per, okay, is the total number of payments. And so that's going to be our N, PMT, present value. We hit the OK button, and there we get our answer. And actually, yesterday I was correct. I had put on my my PowerPoint one wrong number, which was down here at the bottom, which was throwing me off completely. And I apologize. It was like an episode of something live going terribly wrong. But anyway, long story short, this Excel method is correct. And the way I did show it to you yesterday was correct. All right. Nonetheless, there is your answer. Okay. Now we could change this. So let's say we wanted to look at how long, 10 years. Okay. What would that be? Okay. What if we change our interest rate to 9? Okay. What if we started out with $200 instead of $100? And what if we, had $10 added to it every year? Okay, well, there we go. Now that we come up to a new number. So we could use that formula in all the time value questions that we have. Okay, now I add two other things in here that we want to notice. Okay, one is P-Y, and that means payments per year. And so there's going to be times when we'll have to change that. But here we're stating it as one, meaning one payment per year. It's not a part of my formula necessarily, but it's good to note. And then the other variable at play sometimes, beginning and end. And here we're looking at end, okay, because we're actually going to assume that we're adding these extra dollars to the end of the payment period. So I hope that helps. I might be putting together some other tutorials as well as we go along. Yeah, that's all I've got for you guys. Thank you. Have a good one.